Hey, what's up, beautiful people? Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are watching from. I wish you a pleasant good day, good morning, good afternoon, and if it's night time where you are, a pleasant good night. Today, guys, we're going to bring you this video from Country Park. And this country park is called Sandwell Country Park. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Some people are feeding the geese. Oh, loads of them. Yes, they're all coming to get some food. I don't know what type of geese these are, guys. If you know, let me know. Tell me in the comment section. Are they Canadian geese? I'm not sure. And this is the lake. Yes, guys, coming to you from Sandwell Valley Country Park. These ones here, they're asleep. These are swans. Yeah, this is the first time I'm coming to this park, guys. It's quite big. I haven't got much information about it, and I suppose I should have done a bit of research to let you guys know, but never mind. Whatever I find out, you will know. We're just having a stroll around the park. You've got some maintenance guys up there cutting the grass. It's a nice day today. Earlier on it was a bit overcast, but now the sun's coming out and it should be a good day. Temperatures might be in the 20s today. A little bit cooler than a few days ago. So we really appreciate that. Guys, this machine is remotely controlled. It's a remote control machine cutting the grass. Oh my God. I've never seen a remote control machine this big cutting the grass, guys. It's called RoboCut and it's operated by that person over there. It's whatever next. Yes guys, a remote control and it's called RoboCut T400. Yeah. And it's remotely controlled by that person over there. Don't know if you can see him, but this machine is marvelous. Jamaican uncle, I wish you could. I bet you probably wish you could have one of these machines, eh? For your lawn, remotely controlled. Beautiful. Yes. I'm hoping that he's going to start it up again soon, and then we can show you. Are you going to move it? No. I'm just asking if he's going to move it for me to see. But he said no, he's not doing anything with it. Okay. Once it starts up, guys, I'll see if I can show you once it starts to move. Okay. Started that machine up again. Don't know whether you can see it. Yeah, remote control grass cutter. Another machine. Now this is a big boy machine. And what he's doing is cutting the side of the grass here. There's a cutter, there's a blade. Yes, Jamaican uncle. That is a big boy machine. I bet you'd love one of these. Well guys, I don't know what type of wildlife lives in this this jungle here, but it's well mature, so anything can be hiding below all these weeds or bushes. Yeah, the water actually comes right up to you, but you can't see the water at the moment. Because of the overgrowth. Coming to you from Sandwell Country Park, guys. The park is 1,800 acres. That is a lot. 1,800 acres, the size of this park, and most of it is for wildlife. So most of it's dedicated for wildlife, guys. Can you imagine? 1,800 acres. Isn't the birds and whatever animal live in this park? They're having a beautiful time. All rent-free. All rent-free. And here's your remote control robot, guys. He's caught up with me. Oh, look at this. That's brilliant. This is the remote control RoboCut. You've got the best job, haven't you? That's brilliant. That's absolutely brilliant. How many of these have you got?
We've got a couple. We've got two. Yeah.
And how did you manage to get this job? How can I get a job like this?
Well, we do a bit of everything.
Yeah.
So at this time of year, we're grass cutting. In the winter, we're flood defence stuff. So when the rivers are up.
All right. Okay. How do you control that? How do you control the flood?
Well, here
do you have gates?
We've got the dam.
All right.
Down
Okay.
there, which we can control. This will lead on to Bescott Reservoir.
All right.
It'll slow it down because after here you got Perry Park.
Yeah.
And then it channels in quite tight, and it's
brilliant.
a bit of a concrete jungle, so you've got to slow it down here so it doesn't
flood the other side. Yes, okay. Guys, I'm just talking to the Environment Agency. I'm not going to show his face in camera, but he operates this RoboCut, beautiful machine. I wish I could have something like this in my garden, even though my garden isn't big enough, but just for the novelty of it, guys. So thanks very much for telling us about that. Cheers, thank you, have a good day. Yeah, adieu. Yes, guys, that's absolutely fantastic. RoboCut T400. Very nice. You've got the lake over there. It's a big lake. All the different types of birds in there. Sandwell Metropolitan Borough Council, and it's Forge Mill Lake, local nature reserve. No unauthorized access to water, and then on these, no swimming, no fishing, no inflatable in the water, and no fire or barbecues. Parent supervision: children must be accompanied by an adult at all times. And it says down the bottom there, beware deep water, sudden drop and slipway. And then it's got the number down there just in case you get into any emergencies. That's a number to call. Forge Mill Lake, Sandwell Nature Park, guys. And over there, I don't know if you can see, over that side you've got the, I think it's Sandwell Golf Course. Yeah, we're going through a bit of a woodland, the wooded area of the park. And it's so nice to walk through here at the moment because it's very cool. When the sun is so hot, this would be a welcome break for anybody to walk through here. Just showing you what. Oh. And it says here, the last flight to commemorate Churchfield School, its pupil and staff, 1955 to 2001. Sculpture Mr. Luke Perry, unveiled by Mr. Harry Charlton, MBE. The last flight. Tells you a little bit about it here. This statue of Harry the Owl was born out of what began as a Facebook page and was then a book, both of which pulled together and photographed and memorized of thousands of pupils and teachers of the former Churchfield High School in West Bromwich. And this is a little rest area. I think you might have toilets and things like that up here. I'll just show you the view from this side overlooking the lake. And what you've got here is like a bird sanctuary. You've got bird feeders here. And it says how to feed your garden birds. And what's on this little notice here? Look at this view from here, guys. Absolutely fantastic. And it's nice and cool under here with all these bushes. Apparently there's no fishing in here. It's a beautiful nature park. And this one is dedicated in loving memory of Dorothy Ann Leonard. You've got a lot of benches in these country park people can sit on, and a lot of them is dedicated in memory of somebody, some loved ones, or you know, some special people. Guys, let me know what you think of this park. Comment in the comment section and let me know. There is a lot of places to see in here, but this is the first time here, so I'm just walking you through and you're seeing exactly what I'm seeing. And this is a wooded area of the park. Just got a little path, you know, you trek through. You can hear all the birds in the background. I don't know if my microphone's going to pick them up. Look at this tree here. You know something? I'm going to give this tree a hug. Yes, see if I can extract some energy from this tree. Yes, give it a nice big hug. We're in Nature Trail. See on the top of these is carvings of all the birds, badgers, otters, foxes. See all these carvings here, guys? Rabbits, owl. All nature. (1,800 acres), and most of it is dedicated to wildlife. How nice. This is a big tree trunk. Let me see what is the significance of this. Why is it here? Ah, the bottom of this, it's like a fox sleeping in the bottom of the tree trunk. Oh, very nice. Beautiful carving. There's a butterfly. See this butterfly here? Beautiful butterfly. Yes, my beautiful people, we're in a wooded land, nature, wooden forests. And for all my Jamaican viewers, if when you was a boy, remember you used to go into these woods and set, I think what you call, remember, calaban. Set your calaban and catch bird. Remember, guys? If you remember, let me know in the comment section if you remember what it is. Calaban. Used to make it out of sticks, put a bait in it, set it up, and then you'd catch birds. Yes, boyhood memories. This guy, it's 1,800 acres. And most of it is dedicated for wildlife. Just stop here for a few minutes, guys, see if you can hear all the different bird noises. There's a lot of bird noises. Don't know if my microphone's picking it up, guys. This looks like something children have set up. Oh, look at this tree. Oh, yes. Looks like children have set up something here like a swing. But definitely not going to have a go at it because I don't know how strong it is. But look at the chunk of this tree. Oh, it's massive. Oh, it's so big. Oh, such a big tree. And there's another one here. Oh, these got to be a few hundred years old. Yeah, this definitely looks like the kids' play area. Yes, guys, we're in Sandwell Country Park, Nature Reserve, and it's beautiful. Yeah, that's a trail just coming from and you've got a road bridge there. No, it's a train line there. Let's have a look down here. Train just going past. Oh, listen to the sound of that. That's a sound that puts you to sleep. Play that sound all night. Big shout out to Jay Unk. How you doing, my friend? You're doing wonders. Keep up the good work. Trey in Qatar. Have I got it right this time? Save a man. Yes, my brothers, keep supporting each other. That's what it's all about. We need the support from everyone. And don't forget, go and watch somebody's video. Put the playlist on and let that play for a while, and people do the same for you. Yes, guys, you're watching Smiler in the City, and we're in Sandwell Country Park. And it's a beautiful day. West Midlands Railway. Yes, guys, let's continue with our walk. You've got the canal running that side there, and you've got all this woodland. And can you hear those crows? Yeah, lots of crows. Have a look over the bank there. Lots of crows on the bank. DMAC 4K World Tour over there in Jamaica. How you doing? Good to see you putting out these amazing videos, guy. Yes, guys, it's a beautiful day. Temperature is probably about 20. Let me see what the temperature is today. Let's have a look. I think it might be about 25, 27 at a guess. Let me see. What is the temperature? Right, the temperature is...
Motion detected at your front.
Temperature is 24 degrees at the moment, and it's going to go to about 27. Feeling quite warm at the moment. 24, which is quite bearable. It's not too bad. I can live with that, no problem. 24 degrees, beautiful. There's some people down there, I don't know whether the children are not, they're swimming, actually swimming in the water. I don't know whether that is allowed or not, but they're down there swimming in the water.
Motion detected at your front door.
Showing you this nature reserve, guys. 1,800 acres. Beautiful. And most of it is dedicated to wildlife. Okay guys, we're back where we started. We went from here and we went that way, and then we went all the way around and come back through this way. So hope you enjoy that tour, guys. Please give the video a like, leave a comment, and hopefully we will see you in the next video. Bye for now.